everyone. So I'm just out in my neighborhood park and they have some really awesome playground equipment. They have a little BMX track and there's a lot of things that you can do in a neighborhood park to get your blood flowing and your joints moving and just generally act like a kid again. It can really set the tone for the day and put you in a more positive frame of mind to get some exercise. And I know for myself, I'm not a huge fan of just, you know, laying the yoga mat down on the floor in the house and going for it. I love to get outside, come out here and do some alternative methods of exercise that are fun. I hate the treadmill, the elliptical, anything like that, so I like to come down here and just do some fun activities. So what I'm going to do for you right now, I'm not going to walk you really through, you know, we're going to do 10 reps of, you know, this little exercise or anything like that, but just going to do sort of a video montage of the types of exercises that can be done in a playground setting, and maybe that'll help you get some ideas for how to integrate playground workouts into your own exercise regimen. So I hope you have a good time today, and I know I'm going to have a blast. So here we go for a playground workout.